following message is transmitted at the request of Adrian Shelby 2050 EAS. This video contains EAS tones, and Adrian Shelby 2050 will not be responsible for any false activations. Playing it on the air would cause panic and get fined up to $450,000. Please don't be stupid. So, sit back and enjoy the video.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government in conjunction with the NASA Space Agency. The hours of time have been unexpectedly increasing from 24 hours to 26 hours. NASA will look and figure out this unusual situation. Stay tuned for more updates on this current situation.
I've been holding on for so long, I can't remember why. The fire's gone, I'm all burnt out, the embers have gone dry. I don't need your love to carry on. I don't need your love to make me strong. No. I've got courage to guide me through.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and in conjunction with the NASA Space Agency. It has been noted that the Earth's rotation is slowly stopping for an unknown reason. NASA will try to figure out the situation. All residents are being advised to remain indoors, and as of right now, do not panic. Panicking will make the situation even worse and it won't do anything.
I've got courage to follow my own heart.
Oh everyone, things are getting weirder and weirder. The sun has risen very late. Meanwhile, in San Francisco, there is barely any sunlight there. Wait, the emergency alert system is about to be activated. We will be back.
It has been confirmed that the Earth will not rotate until February 1, 2049. Remain calm.